Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about CSS image opacity, okay, and also image hover, both the things, okay. Like suppose I have used image over here. One is download.jpg in my computer, in the same folder actually. And suppose that image is not available, then it will print alternative text message as forest or something like that. And I have assigned 470 as a width and 300 as what height. Now here, when I'm going to move my mouse on that image, it will change opacity to 0.5. First of all, let's check the output before the mouse and when we hover that mouse over the image. Okay, so Control S. See, right now, before that mouse hovering and everything, before, okay, it is a normal image we are checking. Okay, now this is my mouse arrow. Okay, see here. So now there is a change in image opacity when you are hovering. Okay. Again, if I exit from this area, see, it is normal. So this is all about image opacity, image hover. Thank you everyone.